Ever had your stomach growl at the worst possible moment, like in the middle of a meeting? That loud, awkward rumble is called Borborygmi. Yep, it even has a fancy name. It's basically your stomach's way of saying, feed me, now! When your stomach and intestines move food, liquids, and gas along, they contract and relax. When your stomach is empty, the noise gets even louder. There's nothing in there to muffle the sound, so it's basically a free concert inside your belly. Your brain sends those signals even if you're not that hungry. It's just making sure everything is in working order, whether or not you need a snack. So next time your stomach rumbles, just tell people your belly is performing its daily sound check. Hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, every rumble has a story to tell. Let's celebrate those belly concerts together.